This article is coming from Invis. Cathie Wood turns to MetaStock as AI play after missing on Nvidia. So shares of Meta are already up at least double since the start of 2023, but Cathie sees more upside. She bought $47 million worth of Meta this past week, which was equivalent to 175,000 shares. She split that over two of her funds. Now, Facebook, the parent, is her bet on rapid growth in AI after she missed on the exploding rally in Nvidia that materialized following its extraordinarily strong guidance for the quarter. So there was many headlines weeks ago that Cathie Wood's missed the run-up in Nvidia. Back in the fall, roughly October-ish, she had a bag of Nvidia which she sold at a slight loss. Her reason being she felt that there was going to be more competition for Nvidia. Now it's hard to predict the future. Who knew ChatGPT was going to be the theme of 2023? Now, in terms of Meta, they recently announced a custom chip for advanced metaverse-related tasks. Now, last year, Zuckerberg was big on the metaverse. However, this is the year of efficiency, so they cut back a lot of their metaverse endeavors to save cost, and that's why the stock has been rewarded to this point. In April, it also reported a strong first quarter and issued upbeat guidance for the future. Now, Cathie's not the only bull when it comes to Meta. There are other bulls who think that the stock is a buy. You have David Tepler, Philip Lafont, Daniel Sunheim. Wall Street currently has an overweight rating on the stock itself. Okay, so when we go to market beat, we see just kind of some of the big picture metrics. Some moderate buy, projection growth, earnings growth 24%. You had 9 million shares sold through insiders. Now, if we go to the chart performance, we can see all green from the 5-day, the 1 month, the 3 month, year to date over the last 12 months. And when you look at the chart, it looks really overextended. All right, so let's go to trading view, and we're going to start with the monthly chart. And I mean, this is pretty ridiculous. You know, besides this doji candle back in December, it's just been green candle after green candle after green candle, and this is on a monthly chart, right? So at some point, price has to pull back. You can't keep going up in a straight line. On the way up, price did form a weekly buy level at the 210 level. Again, somewhat overextended. However, the past 3 weeks, you had two basing candles or indecision as the buyers and the sellers were doing it out for position. And this past week, the buyers won out by pushing price above the most recent pivot highs. However, scrolling back out to, let's stay on the weekly chart. What you can see is price is approaching a resistance support level at the psychological round hole number. So I don't know if it was a good buy last week for Cathie, as the upside reward to risk ratio is limited. I do anticipate price getting to 300, but then you got to expect some type of pullback before eventually moving higher. So maybe the pullback gets to a level where Cathie bought in. Not sure what her time horizon is. We breached the 300 level. We could go as high as 350 over time. However, let's see what happens if and when price gets to $300 level to see what type of price action occurs then. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.